welcome back to my channel. So while you're here, don't forget to subscribe. Also hit that little notification bell so that way you know when I post next. So for today's video, I'm super excited. We're going to be unboxing my FabFitFun Spring 2021 box. So if you want to see what I got, then let's just get to it. Alrighty, so we have the big box that it came in. I don't remember what I picked for the customizations. It's been a little bit, so I'm going to be surprised with you. Got my handy dandy dollar store knife and we're gonna open it up. That like did nothing. Alrighty. Ooh, so pretty. So this is what the spring box looks like. Super cute. I love the floral packaging. Okay, so before we dive into the actual box, these two were outside of the box, so we're gonna open these up. So this one is a hair scarf set. What? So it's a cute little bag. Let's see what this head scarf looks like. It says, live life in full bloom. Different ways to wear it. Oh, so there's two of them. We have a cream scarf. And then we have this floral scarf as well. So apparently you can wear these over your head, which this is definitely not going to fit around my head. Yeah, no. Because my head is pretty big. But if it wasn't, it would look super adorable. So these will have to go in like some of my bags or something because they're not fitting my head. Okay. Oh, so I think this is one of the items that I actually added on. So they have this awesome deal. It's like a whole list of different things and you can go through it. Super cheap prices and you can add it onto your box. So I decided to add on one of these. This is just a little kind of lunch box. This is by the brand Our Place. So the little strap actually comes off of here and then you can open it up. So that's super cool. It comes with different utensils. We have a fork, a spoon, and a knife. And then we also have some chopsticks in here. That's so cool. So then you take that off and then there's actually two little pieces, separate pieces. So you can, take it out. Maybe lay something underneath it and put that on top. I don't know. I just thought this was super cute and it was definitely like super cheap. I don't know how much these retail for or how much I got them for, but if I remember I'll definitely pop it in here somewhere. Alright, so it's time to open up the box. I seriously need to like sharpen this blade or get a new one because it just does not work. Alright, so the reveal. Ooh. Okay, so first there is a coupon. So I guess if anybody wants $15 off their box, let me know. We have some fun spring themed stickers. I love stickers, I love graphics, so these are super adorable. So we also have the little magazine that it comes with every month. So this will just tell you what you got in your box, fun tricks, discount codes, all kinds of cute little things. Alright, so we have other little coupons in here. Alright, so first item, are these little like makeup remover? Wait, yeah, I think so. So these are like little furry reusable like beauty rounds. So to take off your makeup, cleanse your face. That is so cool. I've never seen like furry ones before. I'm so intrigued. Alright, so we have a product from Milk Makeup. So this is a watermelon brightening face mask. Ooh. Okay, that does not smell like watermelon. That smells like really kind of dank. So I don't know. Maybe it'll get better. I'll have to try it. But right now that just does not smell too good. Oh my gosh, I'm like so excited. So this is the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. I don't know, did I add this on or did I get it in my box? I don't know. I think I might have added this on because it was super cheap and I love the brand Elemis. Their products are so nice. I use this papaya enzyme peel and it actually smells so good. So I really recommend it. It left my skin so soft, so smooth, and it just helped my overall complexion. So I cannot rave enough about the brand Elemis. I love their products. Alright, looks like we have some lip masks. So we have 4 lip masks. They're called Suns Out, Pouts Out. That's cute. Gold foil lip mask. So there's 4 of them. Never tried these before, so I'm gonna have to try them. Alright, we have another little Milk Makeup product. It's so tiny. So this looks like it's the Watermelon Brightening Serum. Ooh, solid serum brightens, hydrates, and smooths Smooths for more even skin tone and texture. So adorable. Like, it's so tiny. Oh my gosh. This one doesn't smell like anything, so that's always good, because the other one was not smelling too good. So I will definitely try them and see how I like them, and hopefully the other one, the smell goes away, but I love Milk Makeup, so I'm definitely going to try it. Alright, so next we have a MAC Powder Kiss lipstick. This is in the shade Work, Work, Work. Ooh, it's like a matte packaging. I don't think I have any of the matte packaging by them. Oh yeah, this is very matte. So it's like a, I don't even know, like a red shade? Like an orangey red? Let's swatch it. Ooh, that is really, really pretty. It goes on so smooth. So I'm definitely excited to wear this lipstick. It's so pretty. Next we have some jewelry. Oh, this looks so pretty. We have this gorgeous green ring. It's from the brand Joy Jurvecki. Wow, so this is actually one side. So this ring is adjustable. Right now it's just kind of hanging on the middle of my finger, but that is such a stunning ring. Love that green. Green is one of my favorite colors, so pretty. All right, so next we have a, what is this? A scrub? Oh, it's a hand scrub. We have this moisturizing hand scrub by Humankind. Skincare with a Conscience. So it has elderflower and raspberry in there. What? I've never had a hand scrub, so I'll have to try this. This actually might benefit like my boyfriend, because his hands are really rough, so I might actually give that to him to try. We have another MAC lipstick, and this is in the shade Reverence. Another matte lipstick. Ooh. This shade is stunning. This is a really pretty soft pale pink shade. Actually, it matches my top. I love that. Let's swatch it. Oh, yes, that glides like butter. That is such a pretty shade. I'm excited for this. What is this? Ooh, we have something from Pure. It's their Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. This is probably going to be so gorgeous. Wow. That is stunning. Like, anything glitter, I'm like, yes, like I'm entranced. Oh, yes. This is going to be so nice for summer. Oh my gosh. It just smells so good. Probably not going to show up too well on camera, but this is so pretty. Gonna be gorgeous for summer. Definitely gonna feel like J-Lo in this, so super excited. So that's everything that I got in my FabFitFun box for spring. Overall, not a bad box. I actually really liked everything that I got, so I can't complain. While you're here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!